Hello students. We are going to discuss few word problems on the basis of the same topics that are already been discussed. We have already discussed few topics, and on the basis of that we are going to solve few real life based word problems. Like suppose something like this happens with you in your real life, how will you solve the problem? Those are word problems. Question number 1. The population of Rampur is 45,689 and the population of Sitapur is 53,897. The question is of two parts. First part, what is the total population of two towns? And the second part, which town has greater population and how much more? So here we will see that we have to do addition and subtraction. As we already have done addition and subtraction in your previous class. You have done addition and subtraction in your previous class also, previous class also, and basically from the beginning of your childhood, from the beginning of mathematics, from maybe class LKG, UKG, you have done mathematics. In calculation you have done addition and subtraction. We are dealing with larger and greater numbers. So we are going to deal with larger number, and how to do the addition and subtraction. The basic rule you already know, but how to apply it in word problems, let's see. According to the question, the population of Rampur and Sitapur is already given. So in the first two sentences we will write the same that we are getting from the question. The population of Rampur is equals to 45,689. Second line we will write the population of Sitapur is 53,897. Both the information about the population of Rampur and Sitapur we have got from the question. Now when we are going to find out the total of anything, always remember total of anything can come only by adding it up. If we add the population of both the towns, we will get the total population of Rampur and Sitapur. So we have to add both the numbers. 45,689 plus 53,897. So the total population will come 99,586. I am not explaining the basic rule of addition, how the addition is done, because you already know it. Addition already you have done in your previous classes. Therefore, we will write the sentence, the total population of two towns is 99,586. Remember, for word problem, we have to write sentences to prove our solution. Number B was Sitapur has the greater population. It was asked that which town have greater population. Sitapur. You can already see it has 53,897, which is more than 45,689. Now by how much more the population is? When this question is asked, you will subtract both the population and you will get 8,208. So Sitapur has greater population than Rampur by 8,208. Always remember, when any question like this been asked, how much greater or how much less or how much smaller, like this kinds of questions, subtraction will happen. Question number 2 we will discuss. Savita has purchased a book. Listen carefully. Savita has purchased a book worth rupees 4,590. The shopkeeper demanded money by rounding off the amount to the nearest thousand. Now the shopkeeper is saying to Savita that I will take money only if you round off it to the nearest thousand. So here find out the nearest 1000 or find out the amount that is to be paid by Savita. This kind of circumstances can happen in your life also. Maybe you have faced the same kind of thing in your life where somebody have asked you to give them money by rounding it off to the nearest tens or hundreds or thousand or 10,000, or maybe you have heard about it that you should give money to somebody or you should take the round of amount of a number. So these kinds of thing are very important. You can connect with your real life. So let's see the solution, how you will write in a sentence format. Round of number we have already discussed in our previous video. How to do it, you already have done it in your math classwork copy, but the word problem you have to see the sentences. Price of the book that Savita purchased was rupees 4590. So this we are getting from the question itself. So we are writing it in the first sentence. Here digit in the hundred place is 5. As I already told you, when we are doing round off to the nearest 1000, we will see the hundred place value. It is 5. Since 5 is equal to 5, then the number should be, the number 4590 is closer to 5000 than 4000. Means I already discussed it that 4590 comes between which two round of 1000 number? It comes between 4000 and 5000. And according to the rule, if the number is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I will take the number which is greater. Means I will take 5000 as the round of number, because as per the rule in the hundredth place 5 is written. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, these numbers, if they are there in the place value where I am observe on the hundredth place value, then I will take the next number, that is 5000. So Savita have to pay 5000 for the book. You have to round off 4590 and your answer will come 5000. So now there are few questions for you to solve by yourself. Remember, all these questions you have to solve in your math classwork copy. These all questions are related with round of number, addition and subtraction that we have discussed in today's video. In the next video we will be discussing few more word problems, so wait for that. Question number 1, add the smallest 5-digit number to the largest 6-digit number. Question number 2, the difference of two numbers is 163453 and the smaller number is 820568. Find the larger number. Question number 3, among 12,000 children in a village, only 8,970 go to school. How many do not go to school? Question number 4, Arpan purchased vegetables worth rupees 785. The vegetable seller asked to pay him money by rounding off to the nearest tens. What amount Arpan has to pay? All these 4 questions you have to solve by yourself. I have shown you how to write in sentence and how to solve the word problems. Rest, all these 4 questions you have to do it by yourself. So don't forget to do it, solve it and ask your doubts in the Maths DCC class. We will see you in the next video. Till then, thank you students. Have a nice day.